how to check login history on Steam. So let's say you're worried that somebody is accessing your account. Here's how you can check. So all we have to do is open up the Steam client here, click on help, and then choose the option for Steam support. Now, right here, we will click on my account, which is the third option, and then choose the very last option that says data related to your Steam account. From here, we will simply have to find one that says recent login history here. So click on recent login history, and it will show us a list of all of the countries that have accessed our accounts, the city, the state, the log off time, and the login time here, as well as the OS type, operational system. So that's how you do it. That's how you check recent login history on Steam. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.